Hello everyone! Are you an artist, designer, or a photographer, or even creative professional who is looking to showcase his work and build an online presence? A portfolio website is a great way to display your talent and attract potential clients or employers. In this video, we will show you how to create a stunning portfolio website using Wix, including how to choose the right template, customize your design, and much more. So guys, let's dive in and create a portfolio website that will help you stand out in 2023. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First thing first, I will need you guys to go to your browsers. Right after that, go ahead and search for Wix into the URL section. So Wix and click on it. Now click on the first link that will appear for you and then it will take you directly to Wix.com. So here we go and here we are. So now as you can see, it will show me directly a way to create my account with Wix. So click on the actual way that you'd like. For me, I'm going to choose Gmail account as you can see here, and I will be logged in directly. Now, as you can see, I will click here to create a new site. So it will not take a lot of time. As you can see, click on create new site, and here you go. Now just answer their questions. So for us, we will go for portfolio here. So you can choose whether you are a creative portfolio, film student portfolio, developer, journalist, PR, general. So let's go with creative portfolio. Then click on next. Here, choose a name for your website. So we're gonna name it tutorial portfolio websites and then click on next. Then now they are going to ask us what you'd like to have in the specific website. So we'd like to have portfolio built in, forms, video, and finally pricing plans. Let's go and click on next. Finally here you will get to start with a template. So click here and begin with a template and then you will have to go to a page where you're gonna choose the template that you are going to start with. So these are all portfolio pages or templates for you to use. So let's start with, for example, this one. Click on edit. Now all you gotta do, give it some time until it is fully loaded and it will be ready for you to go. It can take from 10 to 30 seconds, so it will not take a long time to actually start working for you. As you can see, here it is, and it has been ready for me. So give it some time, it's fully loaded. You can see 617, and here it goes. Now let me just close this. Everything in this page is actually adjustable. So we can change the image simply here and add your own image. You can click here to upload media. You can upload it from your PC as you can see. And let me just choose like an image. Um, let's go here. I don't know where can I find the actual image. I have like a cat image. I don't. I Here it is. Now I will just add it. So it is simply it. Now let's wait a little bit until it is fully loaded and choose the image. As you can see, this is the image of the cat. So here you can add your name. Hi, my name is let's add this for example, meow meow. And here I am like a cat, a fluent meow speaking cat, and you can showcase here like for example your previous work, your gallery of work, work with me for example. If you had like a Fiverr link, you can click here and change the link that it will take you to, for example here linked. So you can just go here and link it with a fiverr.com. So just choose your profile and it will be directed to your profile when they will click here. Here specifically you'll find social media bar. You can edit everything here. So as you can see, this is Twitter. You can just go here, click and change it. You can do the same for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok. Let's say that you don't have TikTok account. So what you have to do, simply click here again and go to TikTok as you can see and click on remove image. And as you can see, click on done it has been removed. That's simply it, guys. So here you'll find the menu. You can literally add and remove stuff from the menu. For example, this is the manage menu. You can navigate through it. So manage menu. There's the home page, portfolio and plans and pricing. Let's go to the page where we can see the plans and pricing. So this is the page, and here basically if someone like to order something from you, let's say that you are a developer and you create websites, you can here put the prices of each kind of website. For example, e-commerce website is higher price than a portfolio, higher pricing than a blog, just like that. You can here add and remove and adjust everything through these plans. You can just click here to manage plans, and they will take you to this page where you can actually edit even like the small detail about this plan. So you can just start now, and you can even create your own plan from zero, and everything will be looking here with the price and how long they will be paying, for example, every month, every year, once. It all depends on you and what you'd like to do. What I highly recommend you to do is focus on this portfolio page. So let's go into it real quick. Navigate menu and go to the portfolio page. So this is the portfolio page. Here, like, just put all kind of project that you have made. You created a website, take a screenshot of that website and put it over here and let people see it. You made like cover for someone, take it, put it over here. Like literally every work from your works that you think are the best works, of course. Don't put like side work, something that you did like 5 years ago. No, put the work that you have done recently that you are proud of and you think that people actually would like. And even like you don't think people would like, you have to put it. Like there is some people that you don't know what the market is looking for. You don't know what people are looking for. You might think that it is bad, but it's in fact it is good for some people. And that kind of person, that type of people that like that kind of, I don't know, project will somehow go to your website and actually like the work and order from you. So make sure to put everything, like charge the page, make it full of informations and charge it with your project. Don't make it empty because people will actually like the quantity of your work and the quality of it as well. So make sure to put it and charge it with the best of your work, and also the things that you also think that it is good but you don't really trust it. So yeah guys, this is completely it. Now when you finish with everything in your page, you can just click here to publish it, of course, and everything will be good to go for you. So this is the link of your website. You can get a logo from here and edit it later on. You can even add a logo and you can view your site as a mobile website. And of course, if you'd like to add more things to your website, you can add it by your own. If you'd like to upgrade the plan of Wix to get more tools to help you edit your website, you can do that as well. It is completely up to you. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.